Hi, welcome to Mountain View Kennels. I'm David Frensley. This is Purple Puppy from Gus and Brandi's litter. They was born in August. He'll be 8 weeks old October the 10th. Purple Puppy is a girl. I think they said 5 weeks, 3 days. Checking their ears, handling their paws, checking their teethies. Good. Good. Yeah. All right. Good job. Let's do the dominant test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. No squirming, no whining. Suspension test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And again, that's to see how well they do in strange places. Yeah. Show us who you are. Show us who you are. Yeah, you're going towards it, aren't you? Yeah. Atta girl. Atta girl. Good. Get that rope. Get that rope. Yeah. Get that rope. Come on, baby. Come on. Good girl. Yeah. Good girl. Uh-oh. Gotta have a potty break. Potty break. Alrighty. Good girl. Good girl. Come on. Got it, girl. That a girl. Good job. Good job. You gonna get it? You gonna get your chew toy? All right. All right, girl. Yeah. Yeah. Can't remember if I read Purple's weights to you, so I'm gonna read them again. Or read them just in case. Purple weighed in at 5 pounds, 6.5 ounces the first time, and she's at 6.5 this past Saturday. Good girl. Good girl. Come here. Bring it to me. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Hey, I lost you. Come here. There you go. There you go. Good girl. Come here. Bring it to me. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Good girl. Good girl, Purple. Bring it to me. Good job. Good job. She's already got the retriever coming out in her. This is Purple Puppy. She's about the equivalent to Red Puppy, but she's a female. Make a great duck hunting dog, or a great activity dog. She's going to need some. She's active. She's confident. She's brave. Good girl. Yeah. Say bye-bye. See you next week.